Hello, my name is Warapot Songjaran. On this script, I like to talk about Chula Art Town exhibition story exhibition in Google Art and Culture platform. First of all, what is Google Art and Culture? Google Art and Culture is a platform non-profit organization created by Google, and this platform is designed particularly for art and culture contents. If you click on Google Art and Culture, you're going to see a very well-known museum exhibition such like British Museum, the Met, Louvre, and over 2,000 famous museums around the world. Also, besides the museum, it also have artwork and history exhibition that showing on this platform. Now we're going to go for Chula Art Town. So you can click on search keyword Chula Art Town. So when you search for Chula Art Town, you will see Chula Art Town landing partner page, and also a few items that show up that connect to the keyword Chula Art Town. Okay, let's click on the partner landing page. When you come to partner landing page, you will see the elements that based on the assets that you upload or the partner have been uploaded to the page. There are Thai and English version based on your browser. If your browser default in English, so it's going to show the English version. If your browser set in Thai, the content will show you in Thai version. There are 5 story exhibitions in this page. So I will talk about the exhibition story in detail in a moment. When you scroll down, you're going to see another part is called in this collection. So there are a few keywords and items based on each keyword, something like that. And then on the last part is the item, 65 art item, which has been uploaded to this exhibition. So I like to show you a bit about the item. For example, when you roll over to each item, it's going to show you the name of the artwork. And then when you click on it, the artwork popping up. For example, this artwork named The Chinese Opera. The artist is Joker E.B. Crew. And then you have the icon that allow you to click love, it's become your favorite. And then copy the link. So this is going to copy the link of this artwork onto your clipboard. And then you can press or share on your page or to your friend. And then the last one is share to social media or Google Classroom or Pinterest or Twitter. So this is the code. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see the concept of this artwork, and along with the detail, title, creator, date, location, physical dimension, type, copyright, and what type of medium. And then it's also recommended, artwork that continue from this particular artworks. Google Art and Culture are well known into the area of user experience. When you view the artwork, one of the key features of Google Art and Culture is a very high quality artwork. For example, in this one, right, you will be able to zoom in or magnify the artwork. When you click on the artwork, you're going to see the thumbnail show up, and you can either continue clicking of the artwork to zoom in, or you can also dragging the icon thumbnail to enlarge the artwork to see the detail of the artwork. Okay, you can using your mouse scrolling to scrolling out, or you can use the slider on the thumbnail icon to zoom out. And then you can use the back arrow to go back to previous menu, or next and back arrow on the side of the artwork to go to the next or the back artwork. Okay, in this case, I'm going to go back to the partner landing page. So I click on the left arrow, the top left hand. It's going to return to the partner landing page. Now I like to show you the key feature, the story exhibition. First of all, I like to thank you to Professor Dr. Buscon Binson that allowed me to work on this project. This project was consisting of 5 exhibitions. The first exhibition is give you the overall idea about what is Chula Atau is about and how you're going to walk through or navigate. So this orientation will give you the idea and also physical location guideline for you. On the second part is starting from Siam Zone and follow with Lido Connect Zone, and then continue to Suan Luang and Sam Yan Zone as the last zone of the exhibition. The way I decide to navigate and navigate to this story is just like a personal guide tour. The first exhibition gives you the overall idea what is the Chula Atau is all about, and what the key highlight of each zone. And then you will see the map of the zone. And then on the map, right, it's going to focus on each zone highlight. And then if you go to visit each exhibition, on each exhibition you will have the information that will navigate you through all the artwork in each zone. Now let's begin. The exhibition introduction page. So this is the introduction of Chula Atau. You will see the main content, right? And then when you click start or scroll your mouse, it's going to go to next slide. On each story image, right, it gives you some description of the story, and then also it gives you the information about the image itself. And in this case here, you can also click and drag the image, or you can, using your mouse scroll back and forth, or clicking left or right to the next slide. So on the story exhibition, it gives you the idea of each image, how this sequence together into the storytelling process. On this first part here is talking about the overall idea of Chula Attao, the purpose, objective, and participants of this story. Then it comes with the video.
โครงการจุฬาอาร์ตทาวน์กำเนิดขึ้นมาจากการที่คณะศิลปกรรมศาสตร์จุฬาเนี่ยสถาปนามาครบรอบ 36 ปี แล้วเราก็ตระหนักถึงความสำคัญของงานศิลปะสามารถที่จะนำไปให้บริการกับชุมชนรอบจุฬาได้สำหรับ
And then you're going to see the map. And the map is divided into 4 different zones. Start from Siam zone, which have the color code light blue color. So this light blue color is indicates Siam zone that located on the north of Chula Attao. Okay. And in this Siam zone also have the subzone is called Little Connect, which is using the green code as the part to connect to this zone. And then Suan Luang zone is west of Chula, is on the west side of Chula Attao. And then Samyan zone, which is the last zone, is located on the southern part of Chula Attao. So when you navigate to that, right, the story will elaborate each zone. Also, on this last zone is also have Art 4C office, which is the core projects of Chula Attao.
ส่วนมากเขาก็จะมองกราฟฟิตี้ว่าเป็นสิ่งที่เลอะเทอะ
And some of the behind the scene of this project. And then you, for the last page, you're going to see the credit and the curator team, the digital exhibition team, and the sponsor who support these projects. Now, after you finish, you can click on the upper left hand to return to the partner landing page. So when you see this come back to the partner landing page, you can start browsing to the next exhibition, like Siam Zone. So on each zone is going to be the same format. It's starting with the sequencing, like the story that walk you through each zone. It gives you the direction and the highlight of each artwork. And if you want to see the artwork in detail, right, the information about the artwork is also on the left hand. But when you want to continue to go to the detail, you may want to click on it. So now you see the detail of the artwork. And then we return back to the Siam zone again. All right. So I would recommend you to view all the story, and then if you're interested in each artwork, you can focus on the assets of each artwork later. Okay, now let's start with Siam Zone. So on the second slide of Siam Zone, right, it gives you the idea of exploration. So we call this method as a sequencing exploration. So it gives you the idea of sequence, how you're going to walk on each artwork location to the next location. At the same time, you will be able to explore just like the way you stand in the real location by using 360-degree virtual reality technology on that. Okay. So now we go to the second artwork, which is continue not so far from the first one, right? And then, of course, each artwork you can also look closer by double click on each artwork, and then you can look into more detail, which is the benefit of Google Art and Culture platform. Okay, now is follow with the exploration part, and then we go to the next artwork. So it's going to be something like this, so on until you finish off each zone and each exhibition. Then if you like to continue to the other exhibition, you can either go all the way back to the end, or you can go back to the beginning. So in this case here, I'm going to just fast forward you to the end of the artwork. Some have the highlight of the longest artwork in Chula Art Town. So I encourage you to go through all the exhibition before you explore each item of the artwork. So you will have the idea what is Chula Art Town is all about. And at the end of each exhibition, you will be able to, go to the Chula Art Town virtual map website. So which is, I will talk about it later, about other component of Chula Art Town project. So in this case here, this is going to be the end of this exhibition. On the end of each exhibition, you will see the credit as well as the staff members, sponsorship, those kind of process. Now you can continue to other zones such as Rideau Connect or Suan Luang zone or Sam Yan zone. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next exhibition and next section of Chula Art Town. Thank you.